Install probes, 2 groups of PA plus 1 group of TOFD. Press and hold the side button to adjust the probe height to fit the workpiece. Connecting encoder. Adjust the height and position of the laser so that the laser is aligned with the center of the weld. Put the scanner on the pipe. Rotate the black knob on the side to adjust the angle so that the magnetic wheels are attached to the pipe wall. Select different scales to align white lines according to different pipe diameters. Tighten the knob. Adjust the distance from the front edge of the probe to the weld according to the index offset value. Put down the probe. Move the scanner back and forth to check whether it is installed correctly.